Once again, I congratulate you all for subscribing to this farmland. You have keyed into the future of agriculture. You have keyed into wealth creation, because agriculture is the way to go. Once again, I congratulate you all. You have bought yourself a gold mine. This is an investor that saw the future, that knows that agriculture is the way to go. He keyed into about an acre. He wants to use some part of it for farming and also use some part of it for livestock farming. So you can see this is an investor that has foresight, an investor in diaspora that knows that agriculture is the way to go, because very soon there's going to be food shortage. So the best way to maximize that investment, the best way to generate wealth is agriculture. Agriculture is the way to go. So this is the best time to subscribe to this farmland. Now that it's still affordable, very soon the price is going to change. Now, as many of you that are still thinking, as many of you that have not yet subscribed to this beautiful masterpiece, the question is, what are you waiting for? Hello investors, I'm super excited to be here today, and I'm here at Alphamark Farm City Extension. This farmland you're seeing here shares border between Lagos and Ogun State. It is in Omu Ijebu, a border town between Lagos and Ogun State. And first of all, I want to congratulate every investor that subscribed to this beautiful masterpiece. After the previous video I posted, so many investors subscribed to this beautiful masterpiece. Once again, I congratulate you all for subscribing to this farmland. You have keyed into the future of agriculture. You have keyed into wealth creation, because agriculture is the way to go. Once again, I congratulate you all. You have bought yourself a gold mine. Now, as many of you that are still thinking, as many of you that have not yet subscribed to this beautiful masterpiece, the question is, what are you waiting for? The status of this farmland is agriculture. It is not zoned for military, it is zoned strictly for agriculture, and the land is 100% fertile. We have done several series of soil tests. This land is fertile for farming. So you can plant corn, you can plant cassava, cucumber, tomato, and so on. So this farmland you're seeing here is very fertile. It is not just fertile for farming activity, planting alone, it is also, you can also use it for livestock farming. Now, as you can see just beside me here, an investor subscribed, secured his own plot, and is ready to start with livestock farming. And you can also do the same. So that's the plot you're seeing right here for an investor that subscribed, he's been allocated, and he's ready to start with livestock farming. Even fish farming is permitted in this farmland. The only thing we don't permit here is wild animals. Nobody will want you to rear wild animals here. This is an investor that saw the future, that knows that agriculture is the way to go. He keyed into about an acre. He wants to use some part of it for farming and also use some part of it for livestock farming. So you can see this is an investor that has foresight, an investor in diaspora that knows that agriculture is the way to go, because very soon there's going to be food shortage. So the best way to maximize that investment, the best way to generate wealth is agriculture. Agriculture is the way to go. So this is the best time to subscribe to this farmland. Now that it's still affordable, very soon the price is going to change. So many people are subscribing to this beautiful masterpiece. Like I said, the status is agriculture, and it is not zoned for military, it is not zoned for residential, it is zoned specifically for agriculture. So this is the best real estate investment. As you can see, there are other people here that also have their farmland here. Now you can see these workers coming out from site. An investor subscribed to 1 acre. So those workers you're seeing there is going to clear the land and also prepare the land for farming. So you can also be part of this agricultural journey. This is the best time to create that wealth through agriculture. Now these farmers you're seeing right now, they are preparing the land for an investor that wants to plant tomatoes. So you can see they're coming out from the site. They are trying to prepare the land for an investor in diaspora that subscribed to 1 acre of this farmland. So she's planting tomatoes, and these workers you're seeing right now are preparing the land for the investor so that the investor can start tomato plantation. So this is the best investment deal. Like I said, this land is not zoned for military, it is zoned strictly for agriculture. And if you go to the Ministry of Lands and Survey, you can see that the land is zoned strictly for agriculture. The land is sold in acres and is also sold in 3 plots. So you can either buy 3 plots or you can also buy in acres. So this is the best time to subscribe to this beautiful masterpiece called Alphamark Farm City Extension. Like I said, the land is very fertile. And when you subscribe to this farmland, you get a deed of assignment, you get a registered survey, you also get a contract of sale, and you get your letter of allocation and also receipt of payment. So this is the best time to subscribe to this beautiful masterpiece. Your deed of assignment and registered survey comes with indemnity that guarantees the land you are buying. So this is one of the best related investment deal. So I'm just here to show you give you an update of what is happening here at Alphamark Farm City. This farmland you're seeing shares neighborhood with the Acre Food and Logistics Hub, the Acre Farm City, the Acre Police Station, and the Acre Roundabout. So this is one of the best investment deal. It is less than 5 minutes drive to the expressway, so it is accessible. So it's not like you're traveling twists and turns to locate this farmland. It is very much accessible, and the road is motorable. So this is the best time to subscribe to this farmland. So give me a call so I can help you reserve plots, acres, hectares here at Alphamark Farm City, here along the Omu Ijebu road. See you at the top. Thank you.